Tom, I am logging in now.
Is the computer website still down?
No, it is working tonight.
We must find a slot soon.
There is one for tomorrow morning.
What time is the appointment?
It is at 8 sharp.
That is early, but I'll take it.
I know you hate the bus.
2 hours each way is crazy.
I can't let you suffer more.
So did you confirm the slot?
Yes, the confirmation code is here.
Please print the email, Sarah.
I am printing 2 copies now.
One for me, one for safety.
Exactly. We cannot make mistakes.
I hope I can pass tomorrow.
You will. I'll help you.
Oh my goodness, look at this.
The line is around the corner.
It is only 7:30 now.
I told you about this, Sarah.
You wanted to come at 6.
Yes, now we wait in line.
But we have a confirmed appointment.
Does it matter in this place?
Look, there are 2 separate lines.
Which one is for the appointments?
The one on the left side.
It is much shorter than others.
Thank God we did it online.
I still hate this slow system.
Relax, honey, we're almost there.
My hands are freezing right now.
Put your hands in my pocket.
No, I need to hold the folder.
Is the folder safe and dry? Good morning. We have an appointment.
Show me the confirmation code first.
It is right here, sir.
Under the name of Tom Miller.
Yes, that is my husband.
Is this for a real ID?
Yes, we want the real ID.
I need to see his passport.
Here is the original passport.
Do you have the SSN card?
Yes, here is the Social Security.
I need 2 proofs of residency.
Here is a recent bank statement.
That is one. Where is another?
Here is the apartment lease agreement.
Is this the signed original copy?
Yes, it has both our names.
Everything looks correct for now.
Can we get a number now?
Go to window 8. Wait there.
Why are you shaking, Tom?
I'm checking the bank statement date.
Is there something wrong with it?
This is from last year, Sarah.
What? Let me see that paper.
It says January 2025. Oh no,
That is 1 year old now.
they need it within 90 days.
I printed the wrong file yesterday.
They will reject my whole application.
Wait, look inside my small bag.
What are you looking for, Sarah?
I have the car insurance card.
Does it show our current address?
Yes, it has the correct date.
Let me check the expiration date.
It expires in June next year.
Is this enough for the second?
Yes, the guard said it's okay.
Thank God you brought your bag.
Number G45, please come forward.
Hello, here are my documents, ma'am.
Passports, SSN, and 2 residency proofs.
They are all in this folder.
Let me verify the details.
Is the insurance card acceptable?
Yes, it is a valid proof.
I was worried about the dates.
These dates are fine. Look here.
Should I look at the lens?
Not yet. Give me your thumbs.
Right thumb, then left thumb?
Right one first. Press it hard.
Okay, now the left one.
Correct. Now read the screen.
Which line should I read?
Read line 4 from left.
A, F, P, Z, D, E.
Stand in front of the wall.
Can I smile just a bit?
No, do not smile at all.
Why is smiling not allowed?
It is for the facial scan.
Okay, I am not smiling now.
Look at the green light.
Is it going to flash?
3, 2, 1. Flash. Stay still.
Did the photo come out?
Yes, it is a clear photo.
Can I see it, please?
No. Go pay the fee now.
You were inside for a long time.
The questions were very tricky. Sarah,
Did you answer every question?
I used the skip button a lot.
How many did you skip?
I skipped 5 difficult questions,
That was a very smart strategy.
but they came back at the end.
Did you have to answer them?
Yes, I had to face them.
How many mistakes did you make?
The screen said 3 errors.
Only 3? That is great.
I thought the limit was lower,
You can miss up to 6.
so I didn't fail the test.
No, you passed the written test.
My heart is still beating fast.
I knew you could do it.
One step closer to driving.
You are a smart student.
Thank you for your support.
Tom, you have the paper.
I finally have the permit.
Let me see the printout.
It is my instruction permit.
You are a legal user.
But I'm still limited.
I know. No using alone.
I must have you nearby.
That is the law, Tom.
I want my own license.
We must book the next test.
Check the website for dates.
The waiting list is long.
Is it more than a month?
Sometimes it takes 2 months.
2 months? That's crazy.
Everyone wants to take it.
I need to practice more.
We will practice at dawn.
Before you go to work?
Yes, the roads are empty.
You are so supportive, Sarah.
Because I want my driver.
I will be ready soon.
I am so hungry now, Tom.
Let's go have a big lunch.
You're buying, Mr. Driver.
My pleasure, my supervisor.
Tom, you were back over here?
Hi, Sarah. I am so tired.
How was the test? You were gone for 20 minutes.
It was harder than I thought.
Did you pass? Tell me.
I don't know yet. The computer just said test finished.
Were the questions difficult?
The road signs were easy. I knew the stop sign.
What was difficult then?
The questions about fines and alcohol limits.
Oh no. Did you study those numbers?
I tried to remember, but I was nervous.
How many mistakes can you make?
I can miss 6 questions. If I miss 7, I fail.
Did you skip any questions?
Yes, I skipped 3 questions I didn't know.
That is a smart strategy.
But then I had to answer them at the end.
So where do we get the result?
We have to wait for them to call my name again.
Look at the screen. Is that your name?
Where? I don't see it.
Tom Miller. Please go to window 3.
Oh my God, this is the moment of truth.
Good luck, honey.
I hope I don't have to take it again.
Just go. I will wait here.
Okay, I am going.
Oh my goodness, look at this place.
I can't believe it. It is only 7:30 in the morning.
The line goes around the corner.
I told you we should come at 6 a.m.
That is too early. I need my coffee.
Well, now we have to wait outside in the cold.
Do you think all these people have appointments?
No, one line is for appointments, one line is for walk-ins.
We have an appointment, right?
Yes, thank goodness. Our appointment is at 8 a.m.
I hope the appointment line is faster.
It looks shorter, but it is not moving.
I hate the DMV. Everyone hates the DMV.
Relax, Tom. We have all the documents.
Did you bring the folder?
Yes, I'm holding it right here.
Okay. Do we have the passports?
Yes, passports, visas, and forms.
Yes. Passports, visas, and forms.
We need driving licenses to live here.
I know, but the system is so slow.
Look, the security guard is opening the door.
Finally, the line is moving.
Stay close to me. Don't get lost.
I am right behind you.
Get your phone ready. Show the confirmation code.
Okay, I'm opening the email now.
Let's go inside.
Good morning. Appointment or walk-in?
Good morning. We have an appointment.
What time is your appointment?
It is 8 a.m. under the name Tom Miller.
Please show me the QR code on your phone.
1 second. Here it is.
Okay. What are you here for today?
My husband needs to apply for a new driver's license.
Is this a Real ID application?
Yes, it is for a real ID.
Do you have your application confirmation number?
Yes, we filled out the form online yesterday.
Okay. I need to see his documents quickly.
Sure, here's the passport and the I-94 form.
Do you have the Social Security card?
Yes, here is the original card.
And 2 proofs of residency.
2. I have the bank statement.
That is 1. I need 2 distinct documents.
Oh, right. I also have the apartment lease agreement.
Okay. Make sure they are printed out, no digital copies.
Yes, they are paper copies.
Good. Everything looks correct.
So can we go in now?
Yes. Go to the waiting area B.
How do we get our number?
The machine over there will print it.
Thank you very much.
Number G45, please come to window 8.
Hi, that is me. Good morning.
Morning, please give me your application summary.
Here is the paper with the barcode.
Passports and legal status documents, please.
Here is my passport and my visa.
Okay, now 2 proofs of California residency.
Here is a bank statement, and here is my car insurance policy.
Let me check the dates.
Okay, these are acceptable.
That is good to hear. Place your right thumb on the fingerprint scanner.
Like this?
Press harder. Okay, good. Now the left thumb.
Okay, done.
Now look up at the chart behind me. Read line 4.
AFPZDE.
Correct. Your vision is fine.
I was worried about my glasses.
Now go stand in front of the blue backdrop.
For the photo?
Yes. Look at the camera. Do not smile.
No smile.
Neutral face. Keep your eyes open. 3, 2, 1, flash.
Was that okay?
It is fine. Now pay the fee inside the machine.
Credit card is okay?
Yes. Insert your card now.
Payment complete.
Take this receipt. Go to the computer area for the knowledge test.
Did she say we need 2 proofs of residence?
Yes, 2 different documents with our address.
I thought 1 was enough.
No, for real ID, the rules are strict.
Let me see the papers. Give me the folder.
Here, be careful, don't drop them.
Okay, here is the bank statement from Chase.
That is the first one. It has your name and address.
And here is the... Wait a minute.
What is wrong?
This is the internet bill.
Yes, that is the second proof.
Sarah, look at the date on this bill.
It says January 2023.
That is 2 years ago. It is too old.
Oh no, they need a recent bill within 90 days.
Why did you print the old bill?
I just clicked print on the computer. I made a mistake.
They will reject us. We're going to fail.
Wait, don't panic. Let me check my bag.
Do you have another bill?
I have the car insurance card.
Does it have our current address on it?
Let me look. Yes, it has the new address.
Is it valid? Is it recent?
It expires next year. It is valid.
Thank goodness, you saved us.
That was scary. My heart is beating fast.
Put the old internet bill in the trash.
Good idea. We will use the insurance card instead. Well, why are you smiling?
Look at this paper.
Let me see. Interim driver's license.
I passed. I got 3 errors, but I passed.
I am so proud of you.
I was so worried about the alcohol question.
It doesn't matter now. You are legal to drive.
But this is just a piece of paper.
The staff said the plastic card comes later.
Yes, she said it arrives in the mail in 2 weeks.
This paper is valid until then.
Yes, I can drive the car home today.
Oh no, I drove us here. I don't want to drive back.
Don't worry, I will drive. I'm an official driver now.
Let's get out of here. I'm hungry.
Me too. My stress made me hungry.
Do you want to celebrate?
Yes, let's go get a big burger.
And maybe a coffee for your headache.
Definitely. Goodbye, DMV.
I hope we don't come back for a long time.
My license expires in 5 years.
Good. We have 5 years of peace.
Let's go home.
Lead the way, driver.
I love the sound of that.
Here are the car keys.
Here are the car keys.
Thank you. Let's go.